Well, folks, it's come down to people who can see and people who can't. Now, take a look at this. My father used to always tell me, as an artist, you do things on purpose. Now, a lot of folks, when they look at this, they don't take a moment to look closely and just really take a look at what you're seeing here. See, your mind, when you confront your fears, folks, when you look into the depth of darkness, the things you can't see, right? The more you look into the abyss, the further you will see. That what appears to you, it's so hard to explain, folks. Some people just can't see. They can't see, and it's very frustrating to try to explain art to people who they can't see, folks. They just can't see. It's as if people have become blind to the beauty in front of them, and they can't stop looking away from the TV or the screen, and they can't look at the way that light reflects off of something natural. So, what for? What for, folks? Dipped in moonlight, writing what for across the morning sky.